Oh my, the service elevator is still original. I believe it should be coming up. Wow. Oh, wow. Wow. How do I open it? I think the door is messed up. You know what? I'm gonna call it from the floor above. With a different door. Try this. That's a replaced button. All right, try again. There we go. Whoa, whoa, that was loud. Oh, and this is, if you want, for opening the entire door. Maybe I can demonstrate it. Perhaps this door needs to be closed. And then, oh no, never mind. I guess not. Anyway, let's take ourselves a ride. Whoa. This thing is old. All right. Okay. The door's misaligned. Might have had something to do with me trying to open it fully. Check out this COP. This is really high up as well. That is a Dover key switch. The HELLER elevator company. B is locked. Let's go to 8. Nice. Check that out. All right, down to 1. Looks like there used to be a light fixture up here, but they moved it here. Just with a J-box and some conduit. And then, look at that. I love that pattern. Ooh. This green matte stuff has been on the wall since last time I was here. And it looks like they got it custom made for the elevator, which is neat. You don't see that often. Whoa, that was a hard stop. Oh my God. I wonder if you can see how it's Velcroed on. I'm not gonna mess with it. Back to 8. And we'll end it there. That's so neat. What does this do? That's the alarm, that's the stop switch. B. Very interesting COP. And then here's your inspection certificate. Capacity is 2,000 pounds. Wow, I keep walking right into the back wall. And here comes the 8th floor.